Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And today we're going to be checking out this laser thermometer made by ennoLogic. We'll be right back. So this has dual laser technology, means it intersects, so you know where the exact location is to actually measure the correct temperature. There's two lasers and they come out, and when they meet together in one point, that's where you're going to get the temperature from. It's pretty unique. I like this product a lot, dramatically. The model number is ET650D. I'm literally reading it off the box. It is very nice. If I can get the box out, open. Comes with a carrying case. See them, one there and one there. Temperature range is from negative 50 degrees Celsius to 650 degrees Celsius, which is minus 58 degrees Fahrenheit to 1202 degrees Fahrenheit. Includes a 9-volt battery with this, and it is impressive. So let's check out some examples. Okay, now we actually turned on the car, and we want to look at the temperature of that hose. Okay, we're at 40 degrees Fahrenheit, about 39 degrees Fahrenheit, as you can see. Okay, so if we want to make sure that this car is actually functioning, that temperature should rise. Now I literally just turned it on, so we're going to wait for this car to warm up. Now this is a Prius Prime, all right, so it is a plug-in. However, I did force it to turn on. When I turn the heat on in the car. Okay, so now we have the temperature is cranking up. So now we're at 43, 48 degrees. So we know that this is actually functioning. The temperature of the hose is changing. So we were at 39 degrees Fahrenheit. Now we're at 46. So this tells us that the thermostat is functioning in the car. This is a perfect way to use this laser to find out if your thermostat is actually functioning. So we've actually increased by 7 degrees already, approximately 7 degrees. Let's see, let me get a little closer. So we're at 50 degrees Fahrenheit. I told the car to go at 80 degrees in the car. So this is a great indicator to letting you know that your cooling system or heating system in your car is functioning. My monitor is showing 85 degrees Fahrenheit. That's pretty warm. That's not an LED monitor. This one is. See the difference in temperature? LED, not LED. Pretty neat.